नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय श्लोका 26 मुखं संयोज्य कर्णान्दे शब्दमुच्चै समुच्चरन् ज्ञानप्रबुध्यतां शीघ्रं रे वैराग्यप्रबुध्यताम् मुखं संयोज्य कर्णान्दे मुखं means face samyojya means bringing Karnande. Karnam means ears. Karnande means their ears. Mukam samyojya karnande. Bringing the face near the ears of both the sons of Bhakti Devi, Jnana and Vairagya. Shabdam uchchai samucharan. Shabdam means the birds. Uchchai means in a louder way. Samucharan means said. Shabdamuchche Samucharan. That means Narada Muni said loudly. Mukam Samyojya Karnade Shabdamuchche Samucharan. That means Narada Muni brought his face near the ears of both Jnana and Vairagya and he said very loudly, Jnana Prabudhyadam Shikram. Jnana means the son of Bhakti Devi. Prabudhyadam means consciousness. Shikram, fast. Jnana Prabudhyadam Shikram means please get back your consciousness quickly. Re Vairagya Prabudhyadam. Re, you too. Vairagya, another son of Bhakti Devi, Prabudhyadam. Please come back to consciousness. Re Vairagya Prabudhyadam. Oh, Vairagya, please get back your consciousness. Jnana Prabudhyadam Shikram. Re Vairagya Prabudhyadam. That means, oh Jnana, get up quickly. Oh Vairagya, wake up immediately. Mukham samyojya karnade shabdamuchche samucharan jnana prabudhyadam shikram re vairagya prabudhyadam. Bringing his Narada Muni's face near the ears of Jnana and Vairagya, he said very loudly, "O Jnana, get up immediately, and O Jnana, please wake up quickly." Mukham samyoja karnande shabdamuchchai samucharan jnana prabudhyadam shikram re vairagya prabudhyadam. Thank you.